Hello everyone, welcome to Windows 10 tutorials. In this video we are going to see that what steps you need to follow if any of the sites in your Google Chrome is not able to play sound. So whenever you are visiting any of the sites in Google Chrome, then it is a high chance that if you are trying to play a video, you would also want that particular site to play the sound for a better experience, like if you are watching YouTube or if you are watching an online movie on Netflix. So how are we going to fix this issue? The process is pretty simple. Open up your Google Chrome, and before actually doing these steps, make sure that your mute button is disabled. So in your laptop you would have a mute button. Just make sure your volume is not mute, or you can just go to the taskbar and check the speaker's device is 100%. Alternatively, you can try to play any music or any video that is present in your system just to make sure that your speakers are all working fine. If that is not the case, then what you need to do is open up your Google Chrome and go to this particular path. So this is Chrome:/settings/content/sound. So here what we need to do, Chrome:/settings/content and /sound. Just press enter. Once you do that, then you will be in the sound section. Make sure the default behavior is sites can play sound. This is checked. And the second thing is, there is this option that says not allowed to play sound. Make sure the site that you are trying to access, it is not in this list. Once you have made both of these steps, that they are as it is, as in my system, then restart your Chrome browser and your issue would have been fixed. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.